Um, my
Mm,
neighbors and I were joking about how we should create our own Winter Olympics based on what we have to do to clean off the car.
that's brilliant. Oh my
Because
gosh, it's so
there
good.
were chunks of ice that were like 2 to 3 inches thick
They
on
should,
like the roof of my car and the hood of my car. And so we broke it into manageable size pieces, and then we were trying to frisbee disc them up I have a little hill in my front yard, so up the hill and into my bushes. I probably damaged my bushes in my front yard,
oh
but
no.
I don't care because we were just trying to frisbee chunks of ice up the hill because we couldn't put it in the road and we couldn't put it on the sidewalk.
If you do those Olympics, can you get a representative from every state and see what happens?